In this video, I'm going to show you how I made over $73,900 in the last year with my YouTube Shorts channel. As you can see, I was getting around 2 million or 3 million views per day, and I even managed to upload 2 videos that got more than 15 million views. So yeah, 2 videos that got more than 15 million views, and you can see that day I got almost 40 million views in 2 days. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly the strategy I used with this channel and that I still use with this channel to make these types of videos, which are basically in the military niche on shorts. They're in the military niche on shorts, and they have a lot of potential because they're very easy videos to make. And this channel has over 1.7 million subscribers, and it keeps generating money constantly. And I'm not the only one doing this. There are also channels like this one, for example, that are getting tens of millions of views uploading exactly the same type of videos. Here you can see it has more than 24 million, more than 20 million on shorts, and each short from this channel has generated more than $4,000. This channel had more than 1 billion views, which equals approximately $160,000. And the first video of this channel was in 2023, so in less than 3 years, in about 2.5 years, this channel made more than $160,000 just by uploading shorts. And the videos are very easy to make because they're very basic. So you can see that it's actually possible that I'm making a lot of money, and this channel has been around longer than mine. I've only been doing this for 1.5 years. This channel has been around for more than 2.5 years, and I got inspired by this channel to create mine. I saw that this format was trending, I copied the format, and I made a channel in the same niche, and I got very good results. So now I'm going to explain exactly how you're going to be able to create videos like this in this niche. The first thing I'm going to give you is a free document that you'll have in the description of this video. In the description, I'll leave the link, and there you'll basically have all the resources to create these types of videos. The first thing is a prompt. Basically, I'm going to give you a prompt here that the only thing you'll have to do is download it. You download the prompt, then you go to Claude, and here the only thing you have to do is upload the prompt and tell it, create a new script and title. You send the prompt, and now Claude is going to analyze the entire script. It's going to analyze viral patterns, structure, and absolutely everything, because basically what this prompt contains is 24 scripts and 24 viral titles. And here, as you can see, it gave us a viral title and the whole script. Basically what it does is search for information and create a script and a viral title. Then the only thing you have to do is copy the script of the video. Then you go back to the document, and here I'm going to leave you the exact voice that I'm using in my channel to create these types of videos. It's the same voice that I'm using. This voice is not available in 11 Labs. It's only available on this website. It used to be available on 11 Labs, but they removed it, so now it's only available here. Don't worry, because you'll still be able to use it completely for free. So basically you just select the voice, and here the only thing you have to do is paste the script, and that's it. Obviously you can use any other voice from 11 Labs or Google AI Studio, but the thing is, I've tested multiple channels, and for some reason only this voice has worked for me. So I recommend you use this voice. So here you basically generate the audios. By the way, you have to select this model, the second one, because otherwise you'll need a subscription. So generate multiple audios of 500 characters each, and that's it. You'll need around 3 audio files, but no problem, just generate them little by little, and that's it. Once you already have the script and the audio files, the next step is to download the clips. For the clips, I recommend downloading them directly from Pinterest. So you go to Pinterest and you make these types of searches. Depending on what is being said in the script, you download clips accordingly. There's also another option, which is to gather 100 or 150 clips in a folder and reuse them for future videos. So basically, for example, since this video is about submarines, I'm going to download submarine clips and also complement them with other clips. I recommend you make these types of searches, follow this search structure so you get good clips, because if you make very simple searches, you won't get the clips you want. So I recommend you follow this format. First, put United States, then what you're going to talk about, like submarine or whatever, then put military, and then videos. That's the structure I recommend. Then all you do is select any clip you like, copy the link of the video, and go to this website that I'll also give you in the document. You paste the video link and download it. Click download, and that's it. The video will download. Then the next step is to go to CapCut. For example, this is a random project I had in CapCut. This is actually the video that got 20 million views. It was about when the US was going to invade Greenland. That was trending at the time, so the same day the conflict happened, I made this video. You should also try to upload trending videos. So this is the video I made about Greenland and the US. I'm gonna play 5 seconds so you can see the format and how the video starts.
What would happen if the US military tried to take Greenland tomorrow? First,
as you can see, the music is very well optimized for the voice. The voice is perfect for this type of video. You should follow this format. If you want to make things easier and you don't want to look for the voice and everything, in my school community, I give you the CapCut project, basically the template, so you only have to change a couple of things and make the video much faster, with all the resources already inside. So what you have to do is upload your audio, delete the previous audio. This is if you're using the template. If you're doing it from scratch, you can do it this way too. Then I set the new audio volume to 4, delete all previous subtitles, right click the audio and generate subtitles. Then go to templates and select this template and place the subtitles in the middle of the video or slightly lower. And that's it, you'll have subtitles and audio ready. Now the only thing left is to upload the clips and match the audio with the clips. You don't need to do anything else. Then export the video and that's it. You can also add arrows or something if you want a more edited video, but with this format it's enough. You can make it in 10 minutes. I don't edit my videos, I just follow this format. By the way, if you want to scale your channel, this is only 5% of the information needed to have a successful channel. There are many more things. Making content is only part of what matters. So if you want to scale, you can join my school community. Link in the description. There you can see the results members are getting and how they're monetizing their channels. For example, one member made $8,000 in literally 1 week, and you can see more results, like in another member who made $1,600 with one video, and many more members monetizing. I made free access available so you can enter the community and see real results. They're basically just copying and pasting what I teach. All the information is there. Advanced systems, advanced scripts, and more advanced automations that will help you scale your channel to the next level. Most information on YouTube is very basic, and people who actually scale have access to resources others don't. So I've put all my automation, systems, and knowledge into my school community. You also get channel reviews, personalized feedback, and 24/7 access to ask me anything. Remember, you have free access to see results. Not everything is free, but you can see. I even give you monetized YouTube channels because monetizing a channel can take a long time, and 99% of people quit before getting monetized. Here you can start making money from day one. So that's basically how I made more than $73,000 in the last year. In this video, I've shown you the entire process I used to create these videos. I showed you my channel, the competitor's channel, and you have the link in the description for the free document and also my school community if you want to scale your channel and access all the information and resources.